Hey everybody, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a stunning brokerage listing to show you today. This is a 2025 Aquila 44 yacht. This 44-foot Flybridge is powered by twin Volvo Penta D4 engines, 320 horsepower each. Raymarine navigation. It's a 3 stateroom, 3 full dry head platform. Beautiful boat. Very popular down in the islands for good reason. Comfortable cruise. We've got 2 bulbous bows on the hull. 21.5-foot beam. Quick exterior walkthrough. I'll hop on here on the port side. I'll show you some of the amazing features this boat has to offer. So here in the cockpit, great entertainment area. You see the U-shaped seating here. This boat does have the dinghy davit, the tender crane, easy launching. This window, as you saw in some of the photos, opens up and a bar countertop lays flat, so you have easy access to inside the boat. Someone can be bartending and still be enjoying the outdoors. One thing I really love about this boat is the amount of natural light that you get. Aquila does a really great job connecting you to the elements. This boat allows you to go off grid for a while. It has a really great range. Very efficient. Very spacious. And everyone has their own rooms and bathrooms, which is always important for keeping people happy for longer journeys. Entertainment area here, you've got a TV that pops up out of the counter space there. Got a fridge up forward. Got fridge, freezer, drawers here. Freshwater sink, Kenyan grill, microwave, lots of storage. Nice prep station. Moving forward into the owner's suite, you've got a full beam owner's suite here. Like I said, 21.5 feet wide this boat is. Very comfortable bed. Stepping down into the starboard side, you've got closet space, more storage space, shelving, as well as either a makeup station or a desktop area, as well as a beautiful view of the water. Off to the port side, walk past the TV, down into the owner's head. Very spacious in here. Really great size shower with a seat, as well as your vacuum flush head. Lots of great lighting on this boat, both natural and LEDs. Moving to the starboard side, the guest suite. Very spacious and generous. As well as the head is. Dry head. Keep the water in the shower. Keep everybody happy. Beautiful, beautiful layout. Another great thing is you do have the privacy door so that if you wake up in the middle of the night and you do have to use the restroom, you can go from the bed to the bathroom and have the privacy door closed with no risk of disturbing anyone. Moving to the port side. Another beautiful layout here. Lots of space. Another separate head. Everywhere you look on this boat, there is storage. All the cabinets in the floor. Just truly beautiful yacht here. Access to the engine room here. Show you how close you can get to the water, making it easy to get on and off the boat when you are swimming around. You've got the tender crane as well as the chocks for it. Make it easy launch and recovery. Quick walk up to the bow. Sometimes you're having a shuffle on these catwalks, but on this boat you can walk comfortably with the railing to your left and right at all times. Incredible index storage here. Windlass access, flagpoles, as well as a center walk down from the Flybridge onto the bow area. You've got beautiful 360 view. And a quick walk up to the Flybridge and the helm station. This boat is equipped with air conditioning on the Flybridge. You've got 2 vents. Again, I mentioned earlier the Ray Marine electronics. This does have the offshore package. AIS, autopilot, radar. Up top, you've got another Kenyan grill, freshwater sink, and pull-out refrigerator. More beautiful entertaining area here. Absolutely gorgeous. So you've got two ways to access the Flybridge. One from the bow, like I showed you, and another the starboard side walkway. This is a beautiful boat. It's available now. Call me for more details or to schedule an appointment. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm on board this 2025 Aquila 44 here in North Carolina, ready for its next owner to continue making great memories. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.